today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to enter and exit trades, where to enter, where to exit, a little bit of Fibonacci here and there, but Fibonacci I'm gonna leave for another video. All right, so let's say I'm looking to get into a trade right here. Let's say I'm looking to get into a trade. I'm seeing it's on a downtrend, right? But then we have this inverted head and shoulders right here. So what is inverted head and shoulders telling me? All right, it's time for a trend change. So what I'm finna do is draw out my Fibonacci from the lowest point to this highest point that we have right here. All right, boom. And then where I want to get my entry is at the 618. So I'm looking, it has a lot of rejections right here at the 618. Then we see an engulfing candle. We see this candle engulfing this previous candle. It engulfed it. So that could have been your entry right here. My entries are right here. My entries are perfect. My entries are perfect because I'm looking to come back for the other wicks where it started going above. This out. It took out this little liquidity that we had right here. Took out this little liquidity and came in and got it. I got in, got out right here, took my profit. And then why would I take my profit right here? I took it probably about right here. Why? Because this is resistance. When you're buying, you want to take it at the nearest resistance. When you're selling, you want to take it at the nearest support. All right, let's look at another trade. All right, another trade right here. That I took right here, boom. There's another trade. This is the 930 move, boom. All right, 930 move, hit the 786, sold, got out right here. Why? Why'd I get out right here? Because it's near support. It's 100 points. It's 100 points. I get in, I get out, but I'm still looking to buy. Why? Because it's making new higher highs. Okay, this was just a quick sell. Or was this a quick sell? Because it was only retesting this little support that it broke out at. So it tested it, immediately got rejected. I don't play with this. I don't play with this fucking Forex. Get my fucking money and get the fuck out. All right, but I'm looking for a buy. This is where I would draw my fib from. Why would I draw from this? Because this is the past. This is the New York session. This right here is the Asian session. There's a new low for the Asian session, and that's a high. That's a high. So where I would get in is my 618. This is where I would get in. See, after I sold right here, I took my profit. Then I would switch it up, looking for buys, because we're going up, and all it's making is higher highs. So what is it gonna make? It's gonna make a higher low. So this is your higher low right here, and it's also just retesting this resistance that it broke out at. You feel me? It's all retesting. So let's say you're scared to get in right here. I'm not scared to get in, because look, once I seen this, I seen a huge rejection wick. Then I come back and get in on the second one. Got a perfect entry. You know, it fluctuates here a lot. It fluctuates. And then plus, if you still got in, it builds a support right here at the support. Builds a support right here at the 0.5, I mean. Builds a support right here. So what's it telling you, man? It's just telling you it doesn't want to go down. It doesn't want to go fucking down. So what? Take the fucking trade and go with it. Go with it. So now I wouldn't take my profit right here, like I said right here, because I'm already knowing it's already in the uptrend. You know, it's been on the fucking uptrend since this shit started. So what's it gonna do? Create a new high. So I would have took my profit right here. Get in the trade right here. Get out the trade right there. It's 300 fucking points. Make a living off this shit. You feel me? Make a living. All right. So yeah, this is just gonna be a quick video on how to get in and get out the trades. When you get in the fucking trade, when you're buying, you want to get out the nearest fucking resistance. Like, for example, let's say I was just buying right here. This is just an example. I was buying right here. I was just scalping. I want to get in right here. I want to get in right here. Why? Because this is my fucking resistance. This is my damn resistance, and I get out. Let's say I'm selling right here. I'm not gonna wait till it hits all the way down here. I'm gonna take my profit right here. Because right here is where my support is at. No, I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy. And if you're greedy, this shit will eat your fucking money. If you're greedy, this will eat your money. Like, you might as well just donate the fucking money to me. if you don't like money. But if you're greedy, if you get greedy with this, the market will humble your ass so quick and so beautiful that you will never be greedy again. Like you just want to get in and you want to get out. Like a lot of people are saying, "Oh, I'm looking at the 4 hour. I'm looking at the 2 hour. Looking at the 1 hour." The fuck are you looking at the 4 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour? Yes, yes. Don't get me wrong. I look at that. I look, but I just look at what it's doing. Is if it's still on an uptrend or if it's changing trends. But I'm not trading the 4 hour, the 2 hour, the 3 hour, whatever, 8 hour, fucking daily, because you're not the fucking institution. You don't got millions to play with. You got $100,000 to play with. So you're gonna be trading like a fucking retail trader till you get up there to that damn level. You feel me? How and mostly if you're trading indices, you will never make it if you trade the 1 hour, the 4 hour, unless you get perfect fucking entries, unless you know exactly what you're doing. And this is why I stick to 30-minute and 15-minute. Please don't, like, please, for the love of God, don't try to trade that, because a lot of people were telling, oh, swing trading is good, swing trading is that. Motherfucker, you don't even trade, you don't even swing trade yourself. You don't have enough fucking money to hold a drawdown. You gotta realize when you're trying to swing trade, you need more money to hold bigger drawdown. It's not like you're just gonna hold a 20 point, 50 point drawdown. No, you need more. Same thing goes for currencies. You're not gonna have a 20 pip, 40 pip stop loss. You're gonna have bigger stop losses because you're aiming for more pips, right? So you're gonna have a bigger stop loss. Simple as that. But like, I just want to make this shit simple. I do not want to go in, oh, I want to go in this, that, man. Fuck all that shit. You you want to get into a trade, get out at resistance, nearest resistance. You sell and get out the nearest support. Don't be fucking greedy. Simple as that. Draw out your support, get out your support. Boom. Hit a sell right here. Take profit is 30, 30, 65. Because you got to watch out for the spread too. Correct? You got to watch out for the spread too. Not always, because the spread might fuck it up a bit. So get out the nearest support if you're selling. Get out the nearest resistance if you're buying. So let's say I bought right here. If I'm scalping you would have got in right. But I'm not gonna get in and out of this trade right here, cause man, I'm already seeing this only as a retest, a break and retest of this, and it's hitting my 618. And also we have a inverted head and shoulders right here, so I know it's gonna make a new high. So all this shit is doing is going up. Simple as that. And also, if you want to join my Discord, I do live trading. It's it costs, but everybody in there will tell you why. Everybody gets their fucking money worth. But my link will be down in the description if you want to join my Discord channel. Alright, I hope y'all have a good day. And this is just a simple video. More videos are coming. Thank y'all. Have a good day. Rico out.